Hi guys, if you're looking to post bulk reels or bulk post on Facebook in just few clicks, here's the easy steps to do it. So first of all, search for business.facebook.com. It will lead you on the business suite and then click on all tools, then go into content, then click on drop down and then click on bulk upload reels. Here you can add up to 50 reels at single time and can add their details into it. So showing you an example, just adding these reels. So I have added almost 12 reels. So here you can see the reels are there uploading, and I can schedule the reels or I can publish all together now. Like I can schedule them on different times and also can add description of the reels into it and also can add the thumbnails of it. So once I click on publish, my 50 of reels will be scheduled, and it's just work like autopilot. So feel free to subscribe my channel for more tips and some more useful videos. Here you can see the copyright mark as well. It's just showing here that your video is without copyright and it will not show any impact on your channel. Thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you in more.